I brought crazy mango.
Honey, I like this kind of mango.
And this mango, yeah?
Chai!
Where is the flesh of that mango? In a blink of an eye, you have divorced the poor mango.
It's just mango now.
Chalu, you are now the lion of the tribe of Uganda.
It's just fruit.
All of a sudden, the fruitful became fruitless. Obiagili, if you can change this poor mango from pure yellow to dry white, then you are capable of transforming it from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration without no gas equilibrium and a fundamental equation. I pity the poor mango seed inside your mouth. Oh Lord, save my salary. Obiagili, leave my house, it's over.